Hello and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. This is a launch video of version 241. This is basically a system which has been developed around uh, 240 version was introduced, and this is upgradation of 241, rally based rally and drop based drop with signals. So what I've done is incorporated the version 185 Wyckoff pullback trading system or Wyckoff pullback analogy. I have introduced it into this one. So what we have in this particular trading system is it is an advanced, it's a trading system which generates buy sell signals, and based on this thing, you can plan your trades accordingly. So what it has simple state this settings threshold. Trend threshold should be 15, and sensitivity you can reduce it as per your market. But I've developed this thing for XAU USD especially, and it can be applied on different other markets. You have to tweak through the settings and look for things which works in your favor. So what is the feature? Like this is the 185 version feature, which was already there in the 185 version. And after that, what is unique about this trading system, this 240 version is this gives you trade signals based on uh, criterias which are there set in for generating whenever there is a bout or there is a trend change about to take place, or either there would be a trend continuation kind of situation. So if we go with this one, like for example, if I go set the setting into like Wyckoff buy break pullback and Wyckoff sell break pullback. So you can see we have there is a buy signal with blue color and a sell signal with yellow color. And I have given a background color of the particular bar so that uh, on which bar you have to execute the trade. It has been clearly visible for traders. So how to trade based on this one? Either you can plan based on the breakout of the set a limit order and plan for a breakout trade, or either you can buy on the close of the candle or this particular highlighted candle, whichever is the case. So in many cases, what happens the price doesn't break the high, and later on it breaks the high and it gives you a trading signal. So what you can do is like I advise all my students to go for this no trade zone background. So what this no trade zone background is doing is it is highlighting the background in orange or yellow color. You can increase or decrease the opacity based on your uh, what you are using as like either black background or white background. And if you're using white background, then this white color would not be visible that much. But you can increase or decrease the opacity. I think I have given the setting option, or it would be intact. But particularly, you would be able to see the labels with break buy. So as soon as the price moves, you have to bring your stop. First of all, your stop loss would be here. But provided that what this particular system has a uniqueness in it is like you get a yellow line, and again it gives you what is happening with the pullback and what is happening with this particular zone. This particular thing is helping you in identifying now the market is going sideways. So if you have initiated on the break of this particular candle, now as soon as this thing moves, either you can place your stop loss here below the low of this candle and look for the risk to reward is to 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, depending upon the momentum and trend of the. Because always keep in mind you're trading based on the particular time frame, which is of 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 1 hour or 4 day or 4 hour or daily or weekly or monthly, respectively. So this will give automatically it will plot signals. In the near future update, I'll be adding alert feature into it so that you would get an eye alert whenever there is a signal appearing on the chart, or whenever the set condition is there. So now this is a break kind of a trade. Now, always remember, not every trade is going to go give you uh, maximum returns, but it will help you in identifying whether we should go for a trade or not. Like for example, if you would have initiated a trade on this particular candle, so whatever points you have gained in this thing, like if we see into, like for example, let me get my tool, long position. So if this is a stop loss, and how many points have we gained? 336 give or take, or 327 give or take, plus or minus. So we gained 3.27 pips, or I always consider in points, 327 points. So this is a very good momentum kind of a trade. So this is what we got over here. Now this is a very learning point of thing. Like for example, this trade was initiated on this candle, this particular candle. Like this was the trade signal, but it was initiated when the high was broken on this particular. If you are trading based on high, or if you are trading based on close of the candle, it depends upon you. But I rather prefer to break once the candle is broken. But the main thing which is to be taken into consideration is what this particular, is this line, or is the trend which has been highlighted by these two different line, are is suggesting us a sideways market, or is it suggesting us a trending market? So if it is suggesting sideways market, so this is a level. This is a like if this is a rally and a base, then we are expecting rally to happen. So even if we miss this particular trade, we got this opportunity, which could be a double confirmation of this particular signal, which is a break, and then we got a pullback, and then the price is going to upwards. So even if you have not initiated trade on this particular point, which is the case, whenever there is a sideways movement, I avoid trade. On after that, we get a pullback, I initiate the trade. So this is how I plan my trades, and this was a 300 plus give or take points, but this was a very lucrative trade, which resulted in uh, 10 pip, 10, 10.2 pips, or either 10 pips to be, if you want to round it off. And in terms of point, because I trade based on points, so I got 1000 point, and this one 13 plus or minus 1300 points over here. So, and the stop loss would be beneath the low of the signal candle. So this is how you have to trade, and it gives many trades, and some are profitable, some are not. But at the end of the day, you would be trading with the trend. That is what is there. Like for example, if this was a wonderful trade on this particular what is this date? Let me. It is 28th Feb. So this is a trend continuation kind of a trade. We are coming out of, this is a drop, then base, this is a sideways market, then we are continuing it, and then we got this opportunity. So it has its own uniqueness in giving the trades. It will not give, it will give when the condition is met according to whatever the pullback, rally based rally or drop based drop kind of situation happens. So after that, if you do look for another kind of trade, that is, this is break, pullback, and then low volume buy and sell, trade pullback. So whenever there is a drop, we are expecting price either to go downwards. So this is a uh, low volume. LV sell means low volume supply. LV buy means low volume buy. So same thing on a entry candle. You should either you can buy on the close, or either I prefer to buy on the limit. Like once the corresponding candle breaks the high of this particular signal candle, and I place my stop loss underneath. So this is how it gives. whatever the trade is there. So this after this we have uh, high volume pullback. It also generates the same kind of signal, not same, but it gives you another different kind of signals, because low volume is something which is a continuation kind of trade, but high volume is either a trade initiator or trend initiator, or either it would be a trend changer kind of situation. If this is a high volume, then that means if price is not going above this particular level or this particular level, that means that there is a possibility that price would go down. So there would be more videos coming up with this particular trading system. I call it as a trading system because I've developed in such a way that most of the traders would get a clear indication whether we should go for a trade or not, whether it's advisable or not. Because always remember this yellow line and this particular no trade zone, which is there. You have to set it in. You have to come like you have to go get into input setting, and then at the bottom of the setting, you would get no trade zone background or not. If you open the no trade zone background, it would give you highlight that no trade zone, whether we should initiate a trade in this particular zone or not. So I hope this particular apart from this, I have already added 155 version into it. So in coming videos, I'll dive into more details about how to explore this particular trading system, and uh, once I would be adding filters, or like not filters but alerts into it, so it will help you in many ways for giving you an indication. And the background which I have kept on the for every individual bar is to highlight you whether the trade is has been initiated or not. So, like for example, this was a buy, first was a sell. So as we know, we are in a rally kind of situation, and we have a demand like buying is. This is a significance of this signifies a rally. So as soon as the base is formed, I'll initiate a trade over here with respective targets. So now many people would have like, wow, where should we go for a like book the target. So as we most of my traders students, this is, the corresponding highs, swing highs and swing lows are our targets. Once the first target is booked, we book a target. Either you can go for the risk to reward, or either you can go with the stop loss, or you can go with the uh, uh, corresponding highs and corresponding lows, swing highs and swing lows as your target. As far as the trailing stop loss is concerned, once the trade is been initiated, you can bring your stop loss, or you can trail your stop loss according to this one. So more features would be added as and one last thing I would like to add into this particular this thing. I'm closing down all the sale, all the allotment of my indicators. So like I'm I'll release the date, like for how many days my last uh, release would be there for the indicators, and after that I would not be issuing any indicators. So this is what this particular system is all about, and I hope those people who haven't gained the opportunity to get this thing would be fascinated about should be fascinated about this thing, and would be looking out for more profitable trades in days to come. Like it works on any time frame, whether you take 1 hour, 15, or either 15 minutes, because many people XAUSD are traders are trading based on 15 minutes. Or if you want, you can go with 5 minutes. If you want, you can go with 2 minutes also. So it gives you greater opportunities and more opportunities compared to, and always try to look for a trader when there is this kind of situation, when the trend is in your favor. So I have the like this is the closest we can get to the highest mark of accuracy. So, and you can use my filters which you have bought from me, so that it would give you more tradable opportunities. So thanks a lot for watching the video and stay tuned for other future videos on this one. So due to Ramadan, I will not be able to upload many videos. So please, I hope may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us all and have mercy on all of us, and give us a rewarding year ahead. Thanks a lot for watching this video.